If the second derivative of f of x is 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 over x, find the fourth derivative of f of x. In order to get to the fourth derivative of f of x, we need to take the derivative of f double prime x, or the second derivative, 2 times. So when we take the derivative of f double prime x, before we can do that, I want to write it like this. I want to move this x into the numerator with a negative exponent so we can use the power rule. Now we can go through and find this third derivative, which is also represented f in little set of parentheses, a 3, and we can just use the power rule now. So we have 4x minus 3 plus 5x to the negative 2 power. So using the power rule, push the 2 to the front, this exponent 2 to the front. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 1 from the exponent, you have 1 left over as the exponent. With this one, the second term, the exponent 1 gets pushed to the front. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Subtract 1 from the exponent here. X to the 0 power is 1, so we don't need to represent that in our answer. And here we push the negative 1 to the front. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. Subtract 1 from the power here. X to the negative 2 power. At this instance, we do not need to push this x to the negative 2 power back to the bottom because we are looking for the fourth derivative. We would need this as is to find the fourth derivative. So the fourth derivative, we will just use the power rule again. To get 4, the derivative of a constant is 0, so that term disappears. And we use the power rule here, bring the negative 2 to the front, that gives you a negative 10, x to the negative third. And we do not like negative exponents in our answers, so this will be minus 10 over x cubed. There is your answer.